কত পিস কত পিস?
The largest wholesale chicken market in India. I'm in Calcutta, near New Market. Nothing but chickens, nothing but chickens. All sold in wholesale, weighed in kgs. Today the going rate for chicken is 115 rupees a kilo. The prices vary. Yesterday was New Year's, so big demand and hence a rise in prices. It might crash today. Today it might be quite less as the New Year festivities are over. Nothing but chicken, nothing but chickens. At New Market in Calcutta, the largest wholesale chicken market in India. The entire road is filled with chicken baskets. Chickens loaded on cycles.